You can do it!
Watch me, Dad. 1, 2, and shoot!
Amazing. That is a world-class goal, son.
Did I look like a professional player, Dad?
Even better. You are my champion.
Dad, look at my drawing. This is you, this is Mom, and this...
That's nice, Mia. Good job. Leo, do you want to try a penalty kick?
Yes, Dad. I'm ready. Dad, my crayon is broken. Can you buy me new crayons this afternoon?
Sure, Princess. I heard you. I will buy them for you.
The ones with glitter? Like you promised before?
Yes, the ones with glitter. Of course. Focus on the ball, Leo.
Dad, remember to buy them for Mia. She has been waiting since last week.
I know. Don't worry. Now, kick it, Leo.
Thank you, Dad. Here comes the super kick. Dad, remember the crayons. Please don't forget.
I remember, Mia. After Leo's big game, we will go to the store together. I promise.
Jack, please come home early. It is going to rain today.
Don't worry, Lily. The game is fast. We will be back soon.
We can draw together tonight, Mia. Okay. I will wait for you at the window.
Let's go, Leo. It's time to win. Run, Leo! Faster! Watch the ball!
I'm trying, Dad.
Only 10 minutes left. You can score one more goal. Go, go, go!
Dad, it's getting dark. Is it raining at home?
Don't look at the sky. Look at the goal. Focus, Leo.
Yes, Dad. Yes! We did it! We won!
Yes, that's my boy. Another goal. You are a hero, Leo. Let's go eat something to celebrate. The rain is fine. Let's have a party.
Mom, is that Dad's car? I see 2 lights.
No, honey. That is just the neighbor's car. It is very late. You should eat dinner.
But Dad promised. He said after the game. The game is finished now, right?
Yes, the game is finished. Maybe the rain is too heavy. Let's go to bed, Mia.
No. If I sleep, the store will close. Then Dad can't buy the glitter crayons.
Oh, Jack. Where are you? Why don't you answer my calls?
We are home, Lily Mia! You need to see this trophy. Leo is a superstar.
I scored 2 goals, Mom. I was the best player.
Be quiet. She just fell asleep. She waited for you for 3 hours, Jack.
Oh no, the crayons. I forgot. The team wanted to celebrate, and I didn't see the time.
Is Mia okay, Mom? She looks very white.
She has a fever. She stood by the window in the cold because she didn't want to miss you.
I am so sorry, Lily. I am a bad father. I promised her.
Dad, give her my medal. Maybe it can make her happy?
No, Leo. A medal cannot fix a broken promise. I need to find those crayons. Now!
Dad? Are you there?
I am here, Princess. I am here. How do you feel? Is your head okay?
I feel better. Did you find the store, Dad? It was very dark and rainy.
I did. I am so sorry, Mia. I was a bad father yesterday. I forgot my promise because of the game. Look at this, Mia. These magic sparkle crayons will make your drawings amazing. Here are your glitter crayons. I waited at the store until the owner opened the door this morning.
Thank you, Dad. They are so beautiful. Good morning, Mia. Look, I have a gift for you, too. You are the champion today, Mia. You were very brave yesterday. But Leo, this is your prize. You worked very hard for it. It's okay. A medal is just metal, but you are my sister. I love you more than football.
You are right. I learned a big lesson. Being a coach is good, but being a father is more important.
Dad, can we draw now? I want to draw a big rainbow.
Yes. Let's draw together. Everyone.
Now, our family is complete.
Today, I learned a big lesson. Football is great, but my family is the most important team.
That's right. Love is about listening and keeping our promises.
We have a small question for you. At the start of the story, what did Mia want to buy? A football. B, glitter crayons. C, a new bag. Please write your answer in the comments. It is a great way to practice your English. And where are you watching this video from? What is your city or country?
It is amazing to see people from all over the world learning together. We are a big family here.
Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Please like and subscribe to support our channel. Today, let's look at special phrase from our story. Did you notice when Jack said, "I promise"? This phrase means you say something and you will certainly do it. You give your word to someone you love and you do not change your mind. It is a beautiful way to show love and build trust with your family. See you in the next story. Goodbye.